Hi, I've been filming the construction of this gorgeous rosewood writing slope with bandsawn book matched veneers, contrasting inlays, full grain matched sides, secret mitre dovetails, a dual case lock, side rail hinges, lined trays, hinge tray lids, a leather writing slope, fretwork supports, a magnetic knob, nib, ink and pen compartments, and of course a secret compartment. I'll be producing a series of build videos to show you how I made this, and one video will be published each day in the 12 days in the run up to Christmas Day. So do subscribe and select the notifications bell to be sure to see them as they're published. Many thanks to my patron supporters and especially to Ray for this particular build. The first video will be published at 9:45 PM GMT on the 13th of December, so do look out for it. Cheerio!